Sky Vibe for the week of July 6th. Hey, Aquarius! A magical, mystical weekend is afoot, and the full moon will make it happen. This Monday and Tuesday, you'll be thankful for illumination as you figure out that which matters most. With the full moon, you'll be sure about future goals. By Wednesday and Thursday, an intimate conversation with a work partner will clear up issues as Saturn and the Sun foster cooperation. And now, Aquarius, are you ready for your weekend fun? Your ideas will soar as Jupiter and Neptune unite in your sign. It's a good idea to take a reality check, but you'll be shaping the world to make it a better place. Take a break with Mars as new social avenues open up too. So Aquarius, stay open in your atmosphere and make every week happen the way you want it to. I'm Shannon Day. Remember to check back soon for your weekly Sky Vibe.